a memo. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do.
What are you doing here? Crying again.
Mama, tell me why I will sleep. Have you seen anyone going through what I am going through?
Tuna, don't start. Don't drown yourself in your tears. Not again.
Oh, am I living a life against my will? Why am I a thief?
Am I in your mind? How would I know? On my own path, I know your father and I will raise you well. We'll make sure you attended the best schools. We gave you everything we had. In fact, everything you needed. Get this thief. I don't know how it came about. You really need to work very hard against it.
Mama, I have tried. I have done everything. But nothing is working. Nothing is working.
You have to try harder. Because you're bringing the name of this family shame. You are dragging the name of this family in the dirtiest of mud. You are, in fact, in a woman's scenario. My name and the name of this family has turned to shame. So you have to work hard to stop stealing.
Mama, I have done everything. I can't.
You have not done this one. I'm going to tell you. Let me advise you. Always wear stockings. Buy it in different colors. Wear every day. There'll be no stealing. I will even help and buy more. About dozens of stockings. As you're going out to build stockings.
Hey. Step back. Who's your old beam? Huh? In fact, is Mama around? Because I came here to see her.
What happened?
Are you asking me? Mama. Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon, Mom. Take him.
I'm fine, Mama.
Your face is not looking bright. I hope all is well.
Yes, Mama, all is not well. I came here to inform you that I've decided to postpone this traditional marriage.
How? What happened?
Are you asking me? No, wait. Are you asking me? The news is everywhere. Everywhere. So, Mama, please, let's just put a stop to this traditional marriage for now. Until further notice.
No! Because it's not true now. What is it? Which one is the news? See, my love, I can explain everything that has happened. I will explain, please.
Explain what? Explain what? Please, I'm not here for all that. Listen, Mama, I only came here to inform you of my decision. So I'm leaving.
Now, not now. Mama, beg now.
Mama,
We are standing there.
Listen, I only came here to tell you that I've decided to postpone this tradition.
You're not going anywhere now, please.
Here.
Now, can we have a meeting?
Yes.
Let's have a meeting.
Leave me alone.
Let's have a meeting. We must have a meeting, Mama. Where are you going? Mama, let's have a meeting now. Come, let's have a meeting now. Mama, you're looking at him and he's going. Ebuka! No, now. You see your life? You see your life? I have warned you. You wouldn't listen. I've told you countless times to stay away from that criminal. You refused. You see? I told you. An eagle has no business with the vulture. Hey, Mama. See. Ebuka, come, let's have a meeting.
Relationship of how many years? How market?
Tonya. How market? Tonya.
Osetie.
Mama,
your hot tea is ready. Enjoy.
Mama, be cool. Mama, Ebuka. Mama, Obi, wait, let's have a meeting. Wow. We must have a meeting. Not now. When everybody knows two of us in this. Obi, let's have a meeting.
Are you mad? Is it? Didn't you see me when I said open the gate?
Sorry, I don't tell you, no verse. The order from above, you understand me? The order from above said you are going nowhere today.
Come again.
I said the order from, in fact, not even only order from above, the order from the highest office, you understand me? Said you are going nowhere today.
If I come down from you, you're not a dead man. Eh? Anywhere you see me, just know that I'm a joker. Eh? If I come down from here without you opening this gate,
Okay? No, see, make I tell you, before you come down, let me tell you something. I was in my dream last night, and I was beaten so mercilessly to the extent they even sacked me. So if you want to help my village people accomplish that dream, come down and do what you just said. No, just come down and do what you just said. Let me know that you have helped my village people to accomplish their mission. So just come down.
let me just tell my father first before killing someone in his house.
Sir? You want, you like, inform Buhari, you not outside. You like, inform Inlove, you not outside. Not my business.
Did you tell the gate man not to open the gates for me?
Why would I say a thing like that?
Of course, I know you're not going to do that. Mom, I know you told the gate man not to open the gates for me. May I know why?
Churchill, for the past 1 week, you've been going out early and coming back late. Not only coming back late, coming back drunk. Why have you chosen to destroy your life?
No,
Why?
I should be asking you that. Why have you chosen not to mind your business? Why can't you let me be? Why can't you let me be, mother?
Not when I'm alive and still in this house. Come to think of it, your mates are married. So I give you but 1 week to get a wife for yourself. Else, I'll get one for you.
It's a lie! Oh, I say it is a lie. Enough of this madness. You've ridiculed me in this house for a very long time, and it has to stop. You give orders as if you're the man of the house. You make orders at will as if we don't have rights in this house as human beings. And I've sat and watched that happen for a long time, and I won't allow that happen again. Nonsense. Churchill, let's go. Let's see whose orders Rufus will obey. Forget about your mother. You!
Ambrose.
Rufus! Rufus! Open that door.
Sir, I mean, this is... Sir? Okay, how wide?
Now, listen to me!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will be the very last time you fought my orders in this house.
You sir? Sorry, sir.
If I say jump, the only thing I expect to hear from you is to ask me how high.
How high?
Are you stupid?
Sorry, sir.
Open the gate.
Sir?
Open the gate.
Sorry, sir. How high, sir? How wide, sir?
You are very stupid. Come. Let me show you how wide. Come!
Sorry, sir. Sir, you sure I should open the gate, sir? Sorry.
in my house.
This is my life, and I'm in charge. Never again will someone tell me what to do. Yeah, I wanna know my rights and take my decisions. Never again will someone control my life. Oh, I wanna live my life the way I want. Let nobody else tell me what to do. I wanna live.
What just happened a few minutes back?
I have decided to take back my home. I have decided.
You are trying to start a fight you will never win.
No, you are about to start living alone. I allowed you to take dominance over me. All these years because my kids were still small. And I never thought divorce was an option. Now that my kids are matured, I think I can take my home and face the dance. And I thought you would change at older age. And you've strictly refused to change. I will take my home and face what comes out of it.
Someone is instigating you against me, right?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth!
You dare not shut me up. Not in my own home.
I built this house with my money.
Point of correction. With our money. We worked for it together. You remember? So, I have the right to do anything I want in this house, and you cannot stop me.
Mind you, you've lost all your kids. Yes! No one listens to you again. Nana refused to call home for many years now. Now you are about chasing Churchill away from you. You will live alone. You will see it.
Allow that to bother me, my dear. Even if my kids no longer see me as their mother, I will still be happy because I know I raised them well, very well.
Until then, let's see then. Let us see. You will live alone.
I'm waiting for that time. Hadi amwake pananka.
Don't worry. If I finish this one now, we'll go. It's just one for the road, eh?
Okay.
Churchill. Man, I'll
Can you excuse us? Get out.
Why did you do that now? Huh? Why would you tell my visitor to get out like that?
Did you call that your girl?
Starting when? I don't see my girl, I see my guest. I've been noticing me and I do. Why you go do am now?
What has come over you? What are you doing to yourself? Drinking yourself to stupor every day. Carrying all manner of women that is not up to your status and class. Is this what you want for yourself?
See, I want you to tell me if there is any day I came to ask you to borrow me money. And not for once come to you to tell you borrow me money. It's my money that I'm using to flex. So why is it hard for you to mind your business? Eh? Are you now? I don't understand. What are you trying to make yourself now? Just coming here where you see me chilling. You're telling me that is it what I don't understand.
Guy, what are you doing to yourself? Come on, man. What has come over you? Oh, if this is the kind of life you wanted to live for yourself.
Mama!
If this is the kind of life you found for yourself, then you should be under your mother's watch.
Mama! Come. You see, me, I don't like to disturb people, though. And people should not disturb me. Because this thing you're doing now, you're disturbing me. Yes, now, you're disturbing me and I don't like it. Mind your business now. What's up? Mind your business. Don't be disturbing who do not disturb you. You get? I don't like it. Bama!
Uzoma, since you came back from the township to this village, you have not cared to come to my house. What is happening? Did I do anything wrong to you?
You have not done anything wrong to me, Tabo.
What is happening in this house? What am I hearing?
Nothing is happening in this house. Nothing.
Nothing. What about the news circulating in this village concerning this family?
Tabo, leave us alone. Leave us in peace. Must you poke nose into everything that does not concern you? Leave us alone.
Uzoma, I will not leave you alone. This is my family house. You people are bringing bad name to this family and you say I should leave you alone. How come the criminality and armed robbery that I'm hearing from this family? This family used to have the best record in this community. Now you have dented everything, you have spoiled everything, and you say I should leave you alone. Look, if you don't change from this bad omen, if you don't change from this bad attitude, armed robbery, I will have no option than to summon you before the elders. And you know what that means? They will banish you from this village. Throw a castle your way. Hey, this is abomination. You will have to change. If not, you will not continue. You will not continue living in this village. You will be vanished. You will be banished. Don't worry. Don't continue. Let me go.
Did you hear what he just said? Ulekaratabo. Is the one talking to me like this? Just because of you. You better force yourself to stop this nonsense. You better stop this nonsense. You know why we left the city? To save ourselves from so much shame. Yet you're here making it worse by the day. You virtually steal everything you see. Oh, but then scammer by the roadside, you will steal it. You steal everything you see. Down to staff in the church. You know what you went through. You almost had epilepsy on account of that. Do you know that an armed robber carrying a gun by the roadside is way better than you? You are worse than a thief. A shameless thief. Even the food I will keep, mango I will keep, anything I keep, you steal. One day they will burn you. Is it not better for you to die than to be behaving like this and bringing shame on me know yourself. More Bobia Nezuri. Is it a good news? When somebody wants to marry you, they will ask, oh, that thief. They'll forget your name as Tonia. They will now be calling you thief. Fella Maggie.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Makamai mi fene memo. Amai me. Yeah. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do. Something I hate. Yeah. It's like a great power.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening, man.
Yeah. How are you, sir?
I am all right. I'm okay.
Sir.
You look so good.
Thank you, man.
I'm okay.
Sir.
I heard that you wanted to marry my brother's daughter, Uchechi. Have you lost your interest?
No, Nai, I haven't. And I haven't changed my mind, sir. It's just that Uchechi doesn't want to marry me. Nai.
But, it can't happen. She can't do that. Because every member of our family get married as soon as they're of the marriageable age. How can she say that? But did you actually make your intention clear to her before she refused? You know, as a man, man to woman.
Yes, Nai. Many times. I have tried virtually everything. But Uchechi said she doesn't want to get married. And it breaks my heart.
It's not in our family. Every member of our family gets married at the right time.
Please, Nai, I love Uchechi so much with the whole of my heart. And I can do anything to make her my wife. Please, kindly talk to her for me, please.
Okay, I will talk sense into her. She must marry you. She must get married.
Thank you.
Just count it that she is your wife.
Oh, really, Nai?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Because I will talk sense into her.
Thank you, Nai.
I will talk to her.
Thank you, sir.
Just go and prepare.
Okay, sir.
For wine curry.
Okay, sir.
And pay a right price. Prepare.
I'm glad, Nai. Thank you, sir.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Makamai mi fene memo. Amai mo mai.
Yeah, pick two. Pick two. I told you. I don't have anyone again. Okay. Players.
Yes.
You cover it now.
Oh, how can I forget all these things?
Or you want to play? You want to play Ujuru? Pick four.
No.
I told you. Last card.
No.
Uchechi.
Uncle, welcome.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Afam, go and pick me some fruit, especially the mango you like, huh? Down there.
Okay, I'm coming.
Uchechi, there is something very important I want to discuss with you.
Afam, go sit.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Losing your face. I am not here to fight you. I am here for important message.
Okay.
I met Amobi. You know Amobi? On the way, he told me he wants to marry you. But he proposed to you. You rejected him. Huh? Could that be true?
I don't want to get married, Uncle.
Huh? Uchechi. Uchechi, you see, we do forget that life is far deeper in the future than what it holds now. Huh? Imagine a life without a husband. Uchechi, that will lead you into unavoidable mistakes. Huh? Uchechi, you will regret leaving it. Uchechi, do not make that mistake. I know that your mother must have told you to stay behind so that you give birth to a male child for your late father. But you forgot that life is better when a woman is living with her husband, having children. Eh? It is better than that. Uchechi, don't do that. It is not good.
Uncle,
Eh?
did you leave your house down here to give me this sermon? Are you trying to cajole me to get married so that you will sell my father's properties and squander the money? Eh? I thought your children are rich. Why are you so particular about my father's properties, Uncle? Why?
Uchechi, you are trying to use an elephant to set a trap for a rat. And that would be a waste of meat, time and energy. Uchechi, before you know it, time will be telling on you. You see, now that you are still young, suitors are coming and you are rejecting them. There will be a time when you will see those suitors with their own wives, children, grandchildren. Then you will now know the gravity of not getting married. Know the gravity of old age, because old age will weigh you down. Tears will come. You will cry in the night, wishing that time will be reversed so that you get married. Wishing that your uncle, me, will come and advise you properly to get married. That time, tears will flow. Staying here, giving birth to children. Eh? Do you know the implication? Do you know what it is? It's just, your mother is just turning you to her lot. That is what it is.
Uncle, thank you.
You okay? Huh? What is it? Is that fight? What did you do to them?
They called me fatherless.
Fatherless. Who is your father? Huh? Where is that the way to your house?
Yeah.
Brother, your death has brought me so much pains. Your death has brought so much sorrow in my heart. If you were alive by now, I would have been married with my own children and my husband. This is not fair, God. Now look at me. All alone. Just by myself. Shall never be well with that person that killed you. That person who know no peace. Oh, this is not nice. Hi. Just look at me, Chechi. Hi. No husband. Just a child. Is this fair? What is it? Who beat you?
Mommy, tell me the truth. Who is my father?
Your father is late Chief Lieutenant.
Mommy, that's your father. Who is my father?
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Makamai mi fene memo. Amai mo mai me. Yeah. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do. The unthinkable. What I don't want to do. Something I hate to do. It's like a great power has taken over me. And it's pushing me to do. It's pushing me to do what I hate to do. Something I hate to Mama biko no bayara. Ndema do biko no bayara. Maka maimo mawe me. Maimi fenne me o. Mami biko no bayara. Ndema do biko no hara no mo. Cause I don't know what is wrong with me. Hey, God knows I'm not a thief. God knows I'm not a criminal.
Knowing you have brought me bad name, you came into my life like an angel and carried me on your wings through my university education. I would have dropped out if not for you. But this shame you are putting on me now is worse than the good you have done. But wait, where is she going to? She has no cutlass, no hoe yet. She's going into the bush. What is that nylon she is holding? No. With that look on her face, Tonya is about to do something nasty. Well, anyways, no matter what happens, let her carry her cross alone.
I have to carry this cross alone. I have to save everyone the shame of having a thief around them. You have been good to me. I hope I find peace on the other side.
Sonia, no! Sonia, what are you doing? Sorry, let me die. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. You can't be tired, Sonia, come down. Come down. Tonya! Somebody help! Somebody help, please! Somebody help, Tonya!
Miami Mami bikono bayara Ndi madu bikono halano mo Cause I don't know what is wrong with me.
Is this punishment not too much for my sins? Even though I know I did so much. God, please. Please. My 2 sons are gone. My only daughter is causing me so much pain. So much pain deep in my heart. My heart is tearing apart. Is this not enough? Show Kenamo mercy. Let this cup pass over me. God, if I'm not going to survive this, bring my death quickly. If not, let this cup pass over. Let my love not to continue to linger in this agony. Hey!
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Miami fene memo. Yeah. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do.
You want to just waste your life just like that?
Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me? I am tired of this shame. I am tired. I am so tired.
You don't have to take away your life just like that. Please. You know, how would you feel if your mother sees you that you want to kill yourself? How? Tonya, you know you're my only friend, please. Mama, I saw her. She almost killed herself. She almost killed herself.
Is that true?
Mama, I am tired. Kagula, about me. People are talking about me. I'm so ashamed of myself.
It's okay.
About me. I love you. I love you so much, and that should be enough for you. I should hold you, my child.
I'm so scared. I'm disappointed you. I'm ashamed of the kind of woman I have turned to.
We are family. Family stick together. Yes. Right? Yes. No matter what, we have to be together.
It's okay. I love you so much, please.
I love you. I love you.
You don't have to do this to yourself, please. I love you. We all love you. Please.
Mama bikono bayara ndemadu bikono bayara maka maimo mawe maimo amaimi fenne meo mami bikono bayara ndemadu bikono halano mo cause I don't know what is wrong with me. Hey, God knows I'm not a thief. God knows I'm not a criminal. Man, am I me fene memo? Am I me fene memo? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Makamai mi fene memo. Amai mo mai me. Yeah. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do.
Egbe, so you're finally back. You actually came back to this house. Ezioku. Look, I'm fed up with you. Just go in, pack your things and leave my house. I am tired.
Mama, what have I done?
You're asking me. Look, I've already told your brother so. I've already told them. Yes, if that criminal you have refused to stay away from drags you into another trouble, nobody should mention my name because I will deny you. Yes, I've spoken to you like a mother. I've whispered into your ears. I have shouted it. You have refused to listen to me. Well, since it is difficult for you to stay away from a common criminal, I want to make this easy for you. Pack your things. Just go and stay with her. I think that will be better for you.
Mama, should I have allowed her commit suicide? If not for my intervention, she would have died. Yes.
Suicide. Intervention. Died.
Yes, Mama.
Why? Was she trying to take her life?
She almost hanged herself while I was in the bush farming. And then when I saw her, she I had to rush her. I had to carry her home, Mama. I had to run after her. I had to save her life.
But why would she want to take away her life?
Mama, I don't know. I wish I can help her.
This is serious, but it's not the best thing to do. Suicide is not the best option. No matter the situation, no matter the accusation, whatever be the problem, nobody should ever try to take away his or her life. Hey, this is serious, so I wish I can help too.
I don't know.
Look, it's not really as if I hate her. It's not as if I hate her. It's just that, nobody wants to identify with the thief. Yes. Look at the kind of trouble she has made you pass through.
Mama, she doesn't know what she's doing.
I hope you enjoy this supply because it's good for your
Don't you
health.
see the way I'm drinking it?
Original. Supply water.
This drink is something else.
I always have it in my house.
Yes. That reminds me. Why does Uchechi not want to get married?
It's a big question. I have tried severally to convince her to get married. Why get married? Okay, Naga. She promptly refused.
Tabo, don't tell me that you cannot convince a little girl like that. Because very soon, you see that boy, he will become 18. And he will turn back to start laying claim on your brother's property.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Don't start fighting them. What
I want you to do. Huh? It doesn't have to be physical. Are you not an elder? You know what to do. So do it.
Well, I told my brothers when they were alive that soon I will become the most valuable person in our family. They didn't believe me then. But now, you see things playing out. Now, the rejected stone has now become the chief cornerstone.
The head cornerstone.
Yes,
head.
that is what I am now. Forget about Uchechi on the all her gra. Leave her. The land and all the properties belonging to her father now is mine. You want to go? It's mine. Nobody can take it away from me.
Tabo.
Forget her gra.
Tabo, I like the sound of that.
Oh.
But you don't just say it. Do something. Do something.
Eloka, I don't understand me. Eloka, my words are laden with action. Actions. Just don't worry, you will see them play out. You will see things happen in due time. It can happen. It can happen. It can happen.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Makamai mi fene memo. Amai mo mai me. Yeah. It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do. Something I hate. Yeah. It's like a great power has taken over me. And it's pushing me to do. It's pushing me to do what I hate to do. Something I hate to Mama biko no bayara. Ndemadu biko no bayara. Biko no bayara.
not a thief.
You are a thief.
I'm not a thief.
God has exposed
I'm not a thief.
You are a thief.
I'm not a thief.
Wait, you are a thief.
I'm not a thief.
Let's see this bag.
I'm not a thief.
Thief for people, come on.
I'm not a thief.
You are a thief.
I'm not a thief.
This girl is a thief.
I'm not a thief.
You've been stealing from people in this market.
I'm not a thief.
I've been watching you. Even here now. You are a thief. Let's see this bag. Come on, people, come. We need one condemned tire. We need one condemned
What
tire.
you want carry
We want use am for one thief. Nah. What thief?
Chief.
Yes.
Carry the wine, the wine now. The wine there, the wine now.
Hey. You don't want to call me. Hey. Huh? What are they doing with
They won't go carry the tire, boy chief. For this whole place, thief with the warrior. And if you go carry them, go arrest them, give you station. Then go tell you say no. Before you know they go punch you, say now you carry the police for what? Make them go wind down.
Wait, they want to burn a human being.
They won't burn a human being.
Where?
For that market. Make them go wind down. Give me my money, make Can't give me my money. Okay, can't give me my money now. Can't give me money, make I go.
Church, please don't do that.
Wait.